My name is Kanya. I am going to tell on my blackboard I can draw. On my blackboard I can draw one little house with one green door, two brown gates that open wide, three red steps that lead inside, four little chimneys painted white, five little windows shining bright, six yellow marigolds straight and tall, growing up against the wall. The marigolds are growing straight and tall against the wall. Growing up against the wall. I am going to pick the describing words from the poem. On my blackboard I can draw. Blackboard. One house. Little house. One door. Green door. Two gates. Brown gates. Three steps. Red steps. Four chimneys. Little chimneys. White chimneys. Five windows. Little windows. Bright windows. Six marigolds. Yellow marigolds. Now I am going to pick the nouns from the poem. Naming words are called nouns. House. Gates. Steps. Door. Chimneys. Windows. Marigolds. Wall. Thank you.